Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go back on a tutorial on how to install SMM panel. So this tutorial, it's actually a job. I'm going to showcase a job I did for a client. So a while ago, a client reached out to me asking me if I can be able to create an XMM panel for them. For those that doesn't know what XMM panel means, an XMM panel is actually a social media marketing website where users can come and buy followers and buy likes and buy views. Let's say like you want to boost your followers on Instagram, you can come to the SMM website and then you request the amount of followers you want, and you automatically get the followers on your profile account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create that wonderful website. But first, I'm going to show you guys the website I created for my client. So this is the website I created for my client. This is the preloading interface, and this is how the website looks like. This is how the website looks like and all the informations needed. And this is the account available that you can order. So in this website, you can create an account. This is where to begin. You can create an account, fund it, select your service, and enjoy the results. So it's a very seamless way of operating the website. So you can click on registration here while you create a new account. It has a back end and a front end, so I'm showing you guys the front end. So you can create an account, select the country you are in, and then register. And you can also, if you have an account, you can log in your account. You can log in your account. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create exactly something slicky like this. And also, lest I forget, the website has a night version and a day version. This is the day version and this is the night version. So you see how beautiful it looks like. It looks very beautiful, and I'm going to be teaching you how to create something like this. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get this particular script and where you can get it. So let's get into the creation of this beautiful website. So before we do that, I explained to you guys that SMM panel, it's a called social media marketing panel where users come to buy likes, followers, friends, views, and subscribers. So you can get anything you need on that website. And also it enables you to make money while you are asleep. Enables you to make money while you are asleep. For those people that wants to be making money while they are asleep, you don't have to work for somebody before you make money while you are asleep. This tutorial alone is going to enable you to generate wealth for yourself while you are doing something that you like. So if you're looking for a way to start a social media marketing business, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Remember, I made a video on how you can get your domain name, which is by clicking on the link on the description to get your domain name with my referral link. So after getting your domain name, you are going to get the control panel, the cPanel login information. After getting your domain name and your hosting, you're going to get the control panel information. And after getting your control panel information, we'll have to log in your control panel. Now, for those of you that is getting a fresh domain name for your SMM panel, you don't have to create a subdomain like I want to do now. You don't have to create a subdomain like I want to do now. You can upload your script on public underscore HTML. So, but here I'm going to use a directory for this video. I'm not going to create a subdomain. I'm going to show you guys how to use a directory for this video. Now, all we need to do is we need to go to our file manager. So going to our file manager, you can discover that I have a lot of subdomains here. So if for us to access our subdomains and our main domain, all we need to do is we need to go to our domain. I can install it from here if I have my domain first, but since I want to go straight to the directory of the subdomain, I need to go to my domain area. I'll click on domains. So these are my subdomains. So what I'm going to do here is to click on this sample. I'll click on this sample. On this sample, I'm going to create a folder. You can see that this sample has content already. It has a WP content on it, and it's actually occupied with a file inside. But I can actually create a folder on this subdomain and then also use it as a directory for this subdomain. So here I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First, you click on folder. Now on folder, what we're trying to upload on this subdomain directory, it's going to be our SMM panel. So we're going to use the name SMM class for this folder and then create. So this is the SMM class, and we're going to open it. You can see that the SMM class is empty. This directory is empty. So what we're going to do is that we're going to upload the script on this directory. So we're going to upload the script on this directory. And now remember I told you guys that you can equally drag and drop. You can drag and drop and your script will be uploading. So our script is speeding up. Well, we need to create a database before doing any other thing. So we go to our database wizard and we are going to be creating a database for our SMM panel. So remember the name we use on the directory SMM class DB. Next, XMM class user. So we generate our password. Remember, while generating your password, always copy your password. Rather, you put it on a notepad so you don't misplace it. It's very, very important while creating your database. You need your password, your database username, and your database name. Those are the essential information that you need in setting up your database. Without those information, your website might not be running very well. So after that, we'll make changes and then let's check if the file has uploaded. Awesome, the file has uploaded successfully. So what we need to do is to go back here and reload. So this is the file that we uploaded here on the subdomain directory. So we click on this file and click on extract. I don't want to download, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Stop downloading. Thank you. So we extract this file. We extract this file. After extracting this file, we don't need this anymore because it's going to slow down our website. So we click on delete the file. Then we open this. Inside this, you get to see that you have a database here. Click on database. This is the database file. We need to download this. It's very important for us to download this because we're going to upload it on our PHP my admin. So you click on it and you click on download. So it's downloaded. You up one level. So we have files here that we need to move to this file to the directory. So we select all and click on move. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear this SMM crowd, leaving it to this directory because this is our directory. This is like our domain name now. I'll move it here and up one again, and then we open this file and select all and move it. Remember, SMM class is our directory. For those of you that is uploading it straight to the public underscore HTML, you are going to see public underscore HTML slash the file name. So you clean the file name and leave it to public underscore HTML. Don't clean the public underscore HTML. So we'll move it back and here we have it. So this file is empty actually now, so we're going to trash it because we don't need it. So domain, for us to go back so you understand what I'm doing, click on domain. and click on this. So opening this, we're going to click on this, and we've moved the files here. So now what we're going to do now is to upload our database SQL file on our PHP MyAdmin, and then set our database to our .env. So we allow this to load up. Now what we're going to do now is to look at the names here. Okay, here is SMM class DB. Click on it. So you found out that there is no database found here. So what we're going to do is to import a new database. Remember the one we downloaded earlier ago. So we'll click on it, on imports, choose file, go to download. This is it. Choose file and import. So why this is important? Oh, it was very fast. Import has been successfully finished. So our database has imported. So what we need to do is to go back here and go to assets, not assets, you need to go to the applications. I'm so sorry about that. Applications. Then you get to this .env, this area. You click on it and then you right click and edit. Remember I told you guys to copy down your database information. So over here, you're going to paste your database information here. So we'll start with our password. Make sure that you did not put any space on that, because if you do, your website will not be running smoothly. You'll be having a 404 error code coming up. So this is the username and this is the database name. Database name. So now we're going to take the script name as the URL, sorry, to this area, and then we'll paste it here. So after inputting all this, what you need to do is you click on save changes. So now we're going to try and we're going to test run our website to see if it's live. So you can see now our website is live. You see, it's not so hard for us to install this script on our server. The website is live. It has all the features from the previous one you saw, and you can go dark and you can go light. So you can set up the admin area. You can create an account here. You can create an account, you can register, you can log in. And also, if you're having difficulties creating this website, once you install the script, it comes with a documentation. This is the documentation here. This documentation helps you to know what the requirement of the script, what you actually need to set up from your cPanel before you can be able to upload the script, what you need to set up before you can be able to run the script. So first, before you upload, you need to extract the script so you can be able to go through the installation guide. So this is the guide. This is the installation guide. You see that the script wants you to upgrade your PHP version to version 8.1. So if you don't know how to do that, I actually made a video on how to upgrade your PHP version on my previous online banking video, so you can get that from there. So this is exactly how to install this script step by step. But if you don't have the time to read on all this video is really going to help you to achieve that. So we're going to try logging in the admin area of this wonderful website. So for you to log in the admin area, it comes this way: your website/admin. So here that we are, the script will be deleted very soon. This is just for a tutorial purpose. So on this area, you add /admin. So it brings you to the admin session. This is the admin login session. So we're going to log in the admin, session. So after logging in the admin session, we're going to set a cron job for this website. So to automate the API order placement, we need to set the cron job and make sure the cron job is running properly. Set the cron time as maximum as possible, once per 15 to 30 minutes. It's ideal, why every minute is the best option. So the cron job is actually going to help the automated API that we have on this script run smoothly. So before you do that, you need to copy this. Copying this, you go back to your cPanel and then you search for cron job. So this is the first one, cron job. This is it. You click on it. So we already have cron jobs running here. So what we need to set is for it to run once per every minute. So we'll click on it and we are going to paste our cron job that we copied and click on add cron job. So we'll go back to this and close this and then refresh this admin session. If it shows again, we'll go back again and try to add the cron job, let's say per 5 minutes. Add the cron job again and come back and refresh. Let's wait for some time. The cron job is going to refresh. Let's wait for some time. Okay, you can see the last cron run 1 second ago. Automatically the cron has refreshed. So this is the admin section. This is your dashboard. This is all users. This is where you see your users, the users that have registered on your website. So you will see their list here. And this is the newsletter subscriptions, people that subscribes to get updates from your website. And this area is the package order. This is where you see all the package your users are requesting. If they want to boost their Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you will see the order here. So this is orders. This is the orders too. This is the orders from your users too. The same thing with the packaged orders. So the categories, this is the categories you create for your website. Remember the last website I showed you? Like, let's go back to it. You see where the categories are. This categories here. This is under the categories here. This is the top SMM packages. This is under the categories. So when you register, you get to see the full categories and how it looks like on this platform. So the categories you can choose to add from your API. You can choose to add from your API. If it's connected, you will see add service from the API, add categories from API. So we are going to come back to that. I will show you guys how to set your categories. So this is services. Add services. You can add services from your API, add API services. So you have a lot of API services here that you can add. So when you add services here, you want to add like Facebook services here. It's going to appear on these categories. It's going to appear on these categories. So this is the brand package. If you want to set a package for your brand, like you want to set like a brand package, like get some Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok for $100 for a package, you can set that up. So here is the API. Here is the API providers. So this is where you set up your API providers. So this providers offers an API link for you to be able to run your SMM panel smoothly without having any issues. So all you need to do from this area is for you to have an account with these platforms. They are a platform. They are an SMM platform that you can register and then you start doing business with them using their API to run business with them. So what you need to do, I already have an account with them here. I already have an account here. So if I log out my account, it shows you this. It shows you this. Bina SMM, the best social media reseller panel. So you start you start um you start using them, and they're actually very cheap, very cheap. At least you make more profit on using them. Why using them, I mean to say. So I'm going to drop a link. I'm going to drop a link if you want to sign up and get and get um and get free bonus. I'm going to sign up a link so you can get a discount while signing up with them. So this is how to do it. While signing up, after signing up, you are going to generate an API key. It's very simple. I need to go back to the website again. It's very simple. You can go back, you can go to your accounts, and then you can create an API generate here. After creating an account, you come here and you generate an API key, and then you come back here and then you cross check if this is actually correct. So this is your API name, this is your API short name, and this is where you paste your API key, the one you're going to generate. Currently, this is a fresh script. There is no API key attached to it. So we are not going to do that. I'm just showing you guys how to do that. But if you want to do that, first you need account with them. After that, verify your account. After that, you need to come here and generate an API key. So this is how to integrate your API to your SMM panel. So after that, if this API is active, you can be able to add service from here. Add service, you can be able to add service from add API services. So directly from this company, you can add a service to your SMM panel. You don't have to create a category for it. Automatically, the API company are going to categorize your services for you. So what all you need to do is just to add a picture indicating what you're selling. You can see here they have a picture of YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They even have a picture of Twitch on it. So they do all SMM plans for you. So what you're going to do is you can add your services from here when you have connected your API provider. So this is where your users deposits are listed. You can see successful deposits, you can see rejected deposits, you can see pending deposits, you can see initiated deposits, and also you have a payment gateway. So this script comes with Coinbase, Commerce, Coin Payments, Flutterwave, Insta, Instamodo, PayPal, and PayPal Express, Paystack, Paytm, and Perfect Money, Razor Pay. They have a lot of payment method that you can be able to use depending on where you're watching this video from. You can use all these payment method to receive money from this script. But I'm going to make a video for those of you that don't know how to use Paystack here in Nigeria. I'm going to make a video. It's very easy for you to use Paystack and receive money. The the um the best part of Paystack is that you don't have to put out your account information out there. Paystack automatically generates an account for each payment for your client. So all you need to do is just to create an account and callback URL and webhook URL, and then your public key and your secret key, and you're good to go. So I'm still going to make a video. If you have your public key and your secret key, or you already know how to integrate or know how to use Paystack, you can equally use this and receive payments while you are sleeping. So moving on, this is the transactions. You get to see all the transactions with your users, all the transactions that they are making here. So the login activities, the login activities, login activities, click on it. This is where you see where someone is coming from, logging in the Chrome 10, Chrome 10. You know where they're logging, where they are coming from, the area they are logging in from. So here is a notification. You get a notification when your user is purchasing or making payments. This is the pending support ticket. So you see all the tickets. You see what your users are talking about. If they have problems, this is where they reach out to you to tell you that they have issues with with their account. So you can be able to help them out. So moving on to the next place, here is the pages. This is where you edit your home page, about page, blog page, services, branding, and contact. Most of them, if you don't want it, you can delete. So you click here and you can edit the names, the photos, and so on and so forth. So over here is the section area. Still the same section area, the front end that talks about us on the banner section. Banner section that you can change the pictures. Let's see what the banner section has. Okay, the banner section is like this. I think we should go to the front end so you'll see how it looks like. The banner section is like banner section is like this. See how it looks like, the picture that is showing there, and the write-up that is being shown there at the banner section. That is how it is. So you can change this look of the banner section to something different. See how this is looking. Let's say go home. See how it looks. See the banner section, how it looks. So you can change it to something beautiful like that. So moving on, you can still edit, put all your sections there. And here is the global settings. So in this global settings, this is where you put the figures, the currencies, the symbol, the currency symbol, I'm going to say, that you want to be shown on your website, and also your website title that's going to help your website gain visibility. All right, yeah, you can change your colors and the site base color and the site secondary color, and also you have user registration activated, you have email verification, you have email notification, you can add mobile verification and SMS notification if you have the API to this SMS verification. You can integrate that to the website. So moving on to the logo and fav icon. Here it's where you can change your logos. You have your light mode logo, you have your dark mode logo, and the fav icons. And also, this is the language area. You can change your language. If you're speaking French, you can add new language. Language name, language code, and you want it to be a default, you can add it. If you don't want it to be a default, you can add it. So the important area on this script, it's always your email. You need to configure your emails for them to be able to to send out a verification code to your users. So you need to set up an email if you are coming up, if you are installing this script as a fresh script on this cPanel. You need to create an email first for it. I already created an email, so I'm going to use that as an example here for you guys to know how to use this email. So I'm going to first get a password. I'm going to get a password for this email and update. And so I go to this area. I'm going to put my password and go back to the email, and then I'll click on connect device. For those of you that don't know how to connect their email, this is how to connect your email to XMTP. So first we have our user name here, and we are going to connect our host. So this is outgoing host. This is our host here. We're going to connect it here, and we're going to take our port number, which is 465, and we take it here, and it's going to be on XSL. So all you need to do is save. You can also click on then text email, so you can be able to know if the email is working properly. So I'm going to send to my email address here. So I'm going to, I already received it. I'm going to check my email to see if I received an email from this particular website. So I received the email. You can see SMTP configuration success. So you see how smooth and fast we got this email. It was very smooth. So we're going to, if you are getting this script, I'm going to show you how to reconfigure the emails so it will come with your name, to come with your company name, I mean to say. So this is it. We received our email. But mind you, this script is going to be going off from this directory because this is just for tutorial purpose only. So here is the plugin side. If you want to integrate a live chat, all you need to do is to create an account with this and then add your app key. That's all you need to do. And then Google like recap Tasha. We don't need this. If you want it, you can still get your site key, secret key, and then you can start using it. So this is where you set up your SEOs. This is where you set your site description. When it comes like this, you're seeing Zillion King Host, best and reliable web hosting company. So this is where you set your site title, social description. If somebody should click on top of this, they'll get to see your name and see how and see what you have going on. So that is it about this script. If you're getting this script, or if you are interested in getting this script, I'm going to add a link on the description where you can be able to get it, attached with a video on how to use it. This video is going to be very helpful for you. And also, if you are confused or you got stuck while installing this script, I'm always available to help you get things sorted out. So thank you guys for sticking around on this video, and God bless.